Want to record a voiceover? We got you. Want to shoot a podcast episode? We got you. Need someone to edit all of that for you? We got you. So, check us out at abutivoice.com. Alternatively, send an email to info@abutivoice.com.
Ahe, lowu I nkarhi wa ku va hi tinyungubyisa hi ku va hi ri Matsonga ya xiviri, hambi u le ka xipandzamananga, hambi u le xitimeleni, kumbe u lo tshama u karhi u mukisana na mpandwa wa vuswa. Hey, hi ri lowu I nkarhi wa Shangane Gang, Shangi.
Namuntlha vanhu va hosi as mi swi vona ku vuye a basini ya hina a The Juta Cafe. The Juta Cafe yi kumeka a Kona Robert Bukwena.
Swilo swa ku nandzika.
Menkisi kumbe menkisi.
Le Manchester mata.
Menkisi hi xichangana ze le menkisi.
Enhlongweni.
As mi swi ta ku hi sponsor hi The Juta Cafe. Loko la ku ta tshama u tidzumbela na van'wana vanhu tana ta tshama tidzumbela na van'wana vanhu. Ta kuma nyama nhloko, nyama ya muhodu, I muhori hi Xitsonga. Ta kuma muhori. Se namuntlha hi kandziyiwile vanhu va hosi, hi kandziyiwile hi nhenha.
Hle hi kandziyeriwa.
Hi kandziyeriwa hi nhenha tlhe hi kandziyeriwa. Hi na Boti Musa. Lava va tivaka Boti Musa but I Boti Wise Man Zitha. Boti Wise Man Zitha I Boti
Mawazawaza, emawazawaza.
Ewazi. So namuntlha hi kandziyiwile vanhu va hosi. Boti Wise Man. Hi vona lava nga kona namuntlha. Van'wana va mi tiva hi Musa wa hosi.
Yes.
Kasi lava va mi tivaka swa straight va mi tiva ra Wise Man.
Wise Man, yes.
Na vuleni ku va ka Zitha va ka Kunini. Mara why mu tirhisa xivongo xa Zitha instead xa Kunini?
Hi va ka Zitha, like ni nga hemba ma tiva. So mina na ni wa ka Zitha, yes. Mara an nge vuli ku ni tiva swilo swo tala hi timhaka ta ka Zitha cause ani kula ngopfu na tatana wa mina. So it was like yes. So ani sure ngopfu ku hi huma kwini ku endleka yini. Yeah. Mina papa mina mara we fine, we talk. No vula ku ani tivi like things in details. Ntswalweni va kona. And then from there, because mana mina papa mina va tekananga.
Okay.
Lo endliwa ni va kona msaveni.
But that's what the woman and says that jamuka.
Yeah, lo endliwa ni va kona. Vutomi bya mahle.
It's good to hear from the horse's mouth instead of making assumptions and hearing from the people.
True.
Hey, changana veri I mahungundela. So na mahungundela.
Yes.
Rumors. Allegedly I mahungundela.
Yeah.
So sweswi nga cause a hi luze nyana sound. Lava mi tiva ku hi Musa. Va nga ri tivi ku le ra given. Mi tswariwe kwini? Nghene kwini xikolo?
Yes.
Based on what I know ku mi suka mi ya tshama.
Ya tshama Venda, yes.
Yeah, so you can, as I said, morning at mahungundela
ni sungana futhi okay cool. Say mina ni bebulula aka Dzumera loloka. Ni nghena xikolo xa mina xa primary kona. And then 2008 loko ni high school because mana mina va tekiwa Venda.
Yeah.
Ni ya Venda ni nghena high school ya mina. So mana mina va lava ku mina ni endla like Xitsonga throughout because vona obviously va tekiwa Venda. So ni endla Xitsonga ka Malamlela Gumbani ka Mkhomi ni endla high school kona Khatisi. And then from there ni tale a Pitori ni endla drama la TT campus ena yi kun'wana laha hansi. Yeah, so main campus. Okay, cool. Yena ni va swi tiva ku nga ku a ti kahle ngopfu va hi veke a tlhele ku a hi ta mi traumatize. No, honestly ni tshame ka ni vula loko arts campus it's for the creatives. He very daring. He different man. Loko vanhu va normal mo tirhisa vito ro normal va overwhelm. So cause it's music, dance, drama, fashion design, so everything is big. So va endlele xa hina xikhonwana loko hi va ko.
Kambe le ku la Giyani la
ala ta mehembele hi lava va ku minkarhi yin'wana hi va karhi hi valula hi ri wexe. That's why minkarhi ka vanghana va mina va ka ni va hlamusela ku loko ni valula ni ri one mi nga hlamali na namuntlha ndzuku ni na tirhi. Sometimes randomly mihleketo ya huma yi va ka Land of Blood ni valula tilayini ri one. So arts campus is normal. Tin'wana va ka ti yimbelela ti ri one ti ka ti rihesa misisi va blue, red, green, and it's normal. And aku jaji umunhu la i xikolo xa hina kahle kahle. Because I'm in campus
How many
I'm traumatized. One is serious. The classes, you're thinking, oh, maths. Hey, kuphela kumele. Na sweswo sikona.
Na baji. Kometa ku
Ina baji, fika imbale tintambo. Kufika umbale tintambo and it's okay. Very much normal. Wesi inaka drama cause throughout look aringena xikolo abapfumeli ku imbala swin'wana besides black. Kumbala black like the track suit na xikipa xa black.
Yeah.
Ku iba neutral. So nte haleni did my drama. Loko ni heta ni graduated and then lucky enough. So what happened? Iku ni boneti ku advertise because I remember very well under Cape Town because loko ni kana endla drama ni be ni scoutiwa I boss models. Yeah, so I modeled throughout my varsity days. So loko ni ri karhi ni model nte loko ani loko heta xikolo if ani rindzela graduation date. So ni suka ni ya Cape Town. So boss models wana office like Johannesburg and Cape Town. So loko you wanna move yeah I Cape Town. So I Cape Town ni switimeni ku va ri hayi vanhu vo ntima ku fana na mina va buka ngopfu so ni ku ni ta endla yini laha hi ku ni hetini xikolo ho ni ya le ni ta vuya loko ni graduate. So ni ya Cape Town ni ya ka ni modela kona and then I remember one of my friends lava ni nghena vo xikolo va vona advertisement leya ku they are looking for Tsonga actors. I think loko va ka va endla the audition ta mampela. Yes, so ni fonela tinambara ku na tinambara ta Papa David or something. So ni fona loko ni fona ni ku ni vona va ku valava vanhu va Tsonga di drama. So I remember very well papa lava I hete ni ku audition a Joni loko lava ku audition i ta fanele ku ta apolokwane sa le polokwane na Giyani. So mina ni tshemba ku loko swilo ku ri swa wena unforced mina unranzi forced ndi byela hayi a swa mina is fine because ani nga ta vuya obviously because na mali nga ri kona. So ndi va Cape Town it's fine a swa mina loko swi fikini swi ta fikile. So ni va tshika va endla the audition kwad but ni rhandza ngopfu I'm a strong believer. Yes. So ni tshemba ku loko swilo ku ri swa wena you know God will stop the clock but I nizela wena i va ready.
That's true.
So I am one person ni tshemba ku ako ba ya mina really I don't want to lie because va audition vanhu hinkwavo. Imagine Musa is a lead guy ka Giyani ba audition va kumwe hinkwavo ku sala Musa. So loko ni vuya haleni ni vuya ako audition I think around February loko ni vuya haleni March yende March April ako graduate lona ka graduate so obviously ani fanekele langutana na fanele lava na agency. So ni apply ka agency ta 5 and then luckily ni apply ka Trinity Obey. Loko ni apply ni kuma ku ani nga swi tivi ku yena a endla ku audition ta Giyani. So loko ni apply from there aku ka mina he tsemina teke vanhu vantshwa mara ni vona ka CV ya wena i tsale ku walula Xitsonga ni kombela ku iteka scene unsendela I remember very well unsendela ti scene ta Giyani aku ni kombela ku xitsalo hi xilungu translator xi English leyi va ka Xitsonga xo dzika and true. So no ka timhaka ta mina but my problem I remember because I was 23 Musa are 29 Musa and West ni stress hi ku I number 1 but lexi nga xiendla xi nga everyday loko ni hlangana ni hlamusela ku lexi nga xiendla that I think was very smart I ku a wu byela ku audition ya Giyani I te langa sini yin'we I translate loko ri you are good I ta ku sign under our agency. So ani nga ri na that pressure ya ku ni auditionela kuma ntirho ani to auditionela ku kuma placement ya because mina in my mind I was anhleketa ku ni ta sungula hansi ni va extra nyana ni tisela vanhu tikofi loko ba actor so ani nga swi hleketangi ku immediately boom you gonna go big. So audition ya mina ni audition ni tirhisa phone xa iPhone 5 iPhone 5 honestly and I remember na clip ko na yona it was very blurry ni tshamini hansi ku na mbedo and stuff ni xiveka la ni ti actela ndwani
very fun na ari ku Android iPhone 5
no mara quality ya kona yi nga ri kahle honestly it was like very shady loko no yi vona namuntlha mina let's say ba ku ni casting director ani nga ta ku niketa Musa that job because it's a big role.
No, it was.
Mara, yes, I did that, and then immediately, I think ngisendele yona after 10 minutes, unphonela. Oh, hi, how are you? No, I'm good. I could listen. Part 2 la takubona, and remember, look at the drama. Part 2, Makwarela, it's big. So it just went. What? wait, what is happening? Aku yeah, so clip liya wena by lava, and then he auditioned manu bakumin mara he shot a lead guy. And so balatakubona, and I'm like, no, no, like ne this call tolo. No ways. So from there I went for my callback. Niperona Kensani. Niperona Kensani. Yeah. Niperona Kensani, and then immediately from there by Manranza, but then SABC hey, he finally ngwana futhi makaku ntiro kulukumba for someone angathama ka entla nchumu. It's a lot of pressure, and mina ngingahleketa because I mean I was 23 and the months 29 ka TV I ni bona nomuntu nkulukumba, but in real life like anyway. Yeah, so ni yakambiri, like we did 2 callbacks up to, and then immediately kono heta kwala congratulations. Kumentira.
Simple like that.
Simple. And loko hemba nembela vanhu stickini hate aswintikelanga mina. Tasanu I believe in loko xilo ku ri xa wena it comes straight and direct, because thinking about it va audition 2 months after balenze lead guy, at least loko va renzele munhu anga ta fika eka manta hina la, but Musa, you know, it was a big deal for me.
It was a very big role.
And then from there,
to be quite honest, you killed it.
Yes, and from my first job I was like, I was nervous.
Actually, for your first job.
For your first job, yes. I was like, I've never done this, but yeah, logo nyatibona, I was so proud. Oh, okay,
I mean,
you're doing it. Yes,
no,
you're doing it.
Like from what I've packaged, logo ya sungula. Aku Musa. Aku twala Musa.
Ana ungatavula ku lo sungula because it was perfect in everything.
Yeah. But John ona
Nai. Aku ngithamela na Musa o se wa la bai.
So just a question. She's sparkling gore naga ku America this industry, like you want to act, because I know you're doing also modeling, né?
Yes.
Kama so modela ini song.
Hey, kuhave.
So what? Kutu nyungubyisa, swa ku nyungubyisa.
Because I know kusawa xisati loko va endla sa pageant, because kuna pageant ku ri ku modla. Va ri swa n'wambhuri. Mara ka vanuna
swa ku nyungubyisa.
So obviously
Mi khomexisa.
Modeling ya xinuna i yini hi Xitsangana or hi Xitsonga. Ane vanhu ve le ku lwiseni ve wa hi vitana Xangani gang, ene na ha swi ta ku wa hi vitana Xangani gang.
kuna reason.
So kuna ti karate tool loko swi vona mara ta fambelana somehow.
Yes.
Ti vuya ka industry ya one. So until we yini wa ya ku mo because by the looks masivona ku ri he's a modeler. Na ta vutisa na myself. Suksela ka ku munhu a buliwa khale, or is it part of modeling?
Yes. So ku vulandisa ka ku modela and swi fike a mistake, because mina ani nga ti vona loko na ha kula hey no, like I'm a proper village boy, no makaya kaya kule kwa mati wheelbarrow. So also bona ka TV mara ani nga tshama nti like ni swi vona ni ka ni swi endla mina. So nte loko ni fika la first year, like it was normal.
Yeah.
Drama, TT, good, focused. Mina loko hemba, I've been very focused from the beginning. Ni Steven ku I'm here and tshama kun'wana la ai xira hi ri 3 no ngana mina. Ai mina loko hemba ni fike la ni ri na machine and ni Steve like literally bana ngana wa xikolo na loko bu tavatavula va tlhavula ku wise man from the beginning, from the get go. Very focused. Hikuva kaya obviously kule vusweti wabo ntela ni kan swi tiva ku nteleni, like from day one. Mina loko a va attenda ti-class man ka ni famba ni ya ku ni khandziya Gautrain ya ku modeling, because a ni swi tiva ku loko a kaya mavo loko kule a vusiwana lebyi bya ku vusiwana bya mampela bya ku a wu kombeli nchumu hi mhaka ku a swi kona completely. So ndi byele ku I remember loko ni apply TT an apply na UJ ya ku laviwa vo I think 3,000 something to register and do some nest fast accommodation. I remember na mina ni tshamisa hansi va ku wa swi n'wananga ku mala yi kona. hi ne afford the duty
va tshamisana hansi va
and that's why ni tshama ka ni loko ku ri swilo you know xikwembu xi na ndlela ya xona ya ku endla swilo because imagine loko no ni AJ a ni endla strategic communication because a ni nga endlangi drama phela AJ yi kona drama mani va ku no a hi na yona mali mara 1.5 a ku registration ya TT va ku yi ta yi kota so ni te laha ni ka ni swi tiva ku mali a yi kona ni fanekele loko ni fika laha ni hasile loko ni fika laha I remember a ni xi ri na 2 of my friends a hi tshama laha khoneni la garage kuna feta leyo leya leya a hi tshama le henhla le hi ri 3 ka bachela a ni skipa mina class a ni lava ku membela luckily I mean classini I was like the funny one a ni rhandza hi n'wana n'wana like my lecturers hambi ni nga hati because TT va na policy ya ku 80% attendance you know mina ni nga attend a ni famba ni ya ku modleni and then a va ni rhandza xema va ni sendela ti sides va ku listen hi endle leswi namuntlha na manghana wa mina va hamba va ni pfuna because a hi endla drama hinkwenu so loko ni fika la first year yi hela second year ana ni posta ni rhandza ku posta ni ka Instagram so ni approachiwa hi one of Taryn if I mean swa are mani n'wana mulungu a tirha ka Boss Models and approach ku listen we think you have a potential hi kombela ku ta officeini at first a ni ku xana vona scammer and then munghana mina xo nhonyani xo ku no we'll go ni fika loko ni fika I'm just very man munhu wa under skinny loko ni fika va ku hey misisita fanele ku ta famba hi ta fanele hi cinca your look but we think in a potential yaku you can do this you know and I remember same thing with nsayina namuntlha the following week ni kuma call wa ku listen David Tlalela ta ku vona for a casting so it's cast to fit imagine ansunguna hansi nisunguna kweli so it's cast to fit so basic cast to fit ku wa fika mtshama mfoleni va mbona one by one a selecta lava lava ku mfita and then you get the job immediately so loko ni fika a ni nga tshama ni walka ni ramp magazine yo vona sweswo loko hi ta salon kuma ku tiva ku ti a afford na yena kwala ku magazine yale because it's not something like you a ni nge fiki phela ka shop right munhu la ku xava magazine for what ku xaviwa matandza kumbe swin'wana swo dya ni nge fiki lava magazine why
u fika u pambula la ka shop right
u pfula kwala pheja kwala a swa
ya
yini
jika ku langutisa
magazine why so yeah from there first day ni fika ni cast I don't know if ntsundzuka a ku ri na show yin'wana ka SABC 3 apa ku the intense with David Tlale a train at the young designers so from that day an castela for yona and then immediately an tsakela ko a u tshami swi endla but you have potential so you train so from there an ri kona every week you know even though you know it was like something small like a wu vulavuli vale wo famba wena mara to me ni vona ku swi na nkoka ngopfu ndzi nga ni byela vanhu lava endlaka drama and other stuff like if you really want to push your career in television vanhu fanele ku tsundzuka from somewhere be it TikTok be it put yourself out there ku n'wana wa le kaya mwana wa ya va tirhi ka SABC i ta tiviwa hi mani so wena swi le ka wena ku put yourself out there put yourself out there be it TikTok you know endla swin'wana swa ku va ku tiva by the time hi heta xikolo la at least va ku tiva from somewhere if you like actor endla ti-monologue nyana ti-skits nyana those things that count because at least your name is out there so I think it's so by the time loko ni apply loko ni lava endla well like an agency at least abantu bona from somewhere but oh okay he's done this and this and this and this ingathami nje relax ku enta heta lani va ka generation how dude loko ri la no strategy okay loko va ka TV ntandla so ni fika ko
because na tsundzuka na le TT they have the similar thing loko u la ku nda television and television and broadcast they ask you for your portfolio first aba select un'wana like that space is very xintsongo loko mina ni ya endla loko a ni la ku endla costlier they would literally take 40
same thing with drama
but take 40
they take 50 ka hina
so that process ba mi policha yoko are you really
are you
into
fit
this
enough?
Or you are just you just want to waste our time so they actually look for your portfolio what is it that you've been doing sort of those things so
so another thing vanhu va tala va ku la kwenda drama phela yi lava I think it's 24 23 APS yako vanhu va ni nga endla mi drama what they don't know ku loko apply drama u apply hinkwenu mi ta qualify obviously va ta mfonela hinkwenu va ku tana mi ta audition so wa audition before yi endla drama and lexi mina tshama ka swi vula every day va ku I remember loko ni ku endla drama
koko hi le xikolweni a ri xikolweni
audition ku nghena xikolweni xa drama
Oh,
so mina ni endle science khatisa na physics na maths a ni tshama I remember mhana mina wa swivula that's why every day loko ni langutwa tlhakula ku I feel bad tanihi mutswari because mina ni kule ni ri le vavo a ni la ku hemba like I'll come home ni imitate vanhu va ka hectic 99 hi my name is Wiseman C I've
so
wanted
xingunguma leya xi
this
ri kona vuton'wini
from the beginning and mhana mina a va ni pressela down va ku no hleketa ku I'll use the word borwani wa kwala kaya wala hleketa ku borwani wa kwala kaya ta fika you know why and I go ban zonda is because vatswari va hina va lava ku iva na vumundzuku bya kahle dude loko endla ka drama na science why not pharmacy
hinkwavo va ri vundzuku bya kahle ne to get a job somewhere in an office
a proper job dude chikeche ku ekita isambona mana huma kwala ekitako and mana va tshama ka swilo ku Wiseman I remember very well va ku ihleketa ku borwa no huma kwala akati isambona mana huma ku kwala dididi wena asandini ari le ka TV and when you think about it that's why I always say ku loko men re ka TV dude I represent a lot
oh yeah.
it's a big platform because n'wana la huma ka mavambe aswitandini inanguta mina ku loko ri Wiseman la nga kula la he's doing it out there it's possible because mina loko na kula ani vona bot Fumani na bot Charles but ifika njani la it's hard himako it's a minority ayitalangi so loko ntshaka ani vana loko mina I'm so proud even loko I must loko you want me here dude first thing that came into my mind there'll be a boy out there Angalo kunangteni.
Oh yes.
It's a big deal. It's not about us, it's Hamela.
No.
It's a big deal. There's a kid out there. Who looks at me loku wise man awumakula esikotini. Na vatswari va vona loko va languta mina I always say loko ni ri kaya that's why loko n'wana a ndiyema ku dude swi endlisa ku yini swa ni khumba loko ka mina because I know it means a lot and nge kholeli munhu wa ka hina loko kholelwa hi mina epfunwa hi mani you know so it's a big deal look me sitting here it's a big deal ka a kid who la humaku kaya le you know who dreams big because it's possible and loko hemba shame it's possible loko ri meni ku ta swi endla switandzwa yini like how like it's possible so mhana va tshama ku vula Wiseman wa tiva I remember we are because I was calling around 3-4 o'clock ka ku tlanga hectic 99 a ku nteka nkombe ku imitate you know va ku hey wena tsa ku ta ipengela wena ku na bu nurse le na bu teachera wena la ku endla drama and stuff so but I know there are kids out there who are equally talented even more talented than me lava nga kota ku swiendla so it's a big thing so hina ku iva hi tshame like about like these things or me being on television and being these multiple shows I'm showing it ka n'wana wa le kaya ku dude i nga chavi ku lora mulorho ya humelela and it's doable so it's a big deal
I think with this step our vulavula hi mhaka ya auditions and going forward so after audition
look audition ku nghena kuna obviously va shortlist va vona lava nga na potential because man nga hemba I remember loko ni tante hi tekisi ni cheka bossman ni famba ani nga yitina ku tichile kwini ni ko butsa ku TTS campus van pfuna ni famba walk through from bossman ni ya TT lo nifika ngoko na queue kwani yin'wana ngele ka Deep City zozwana she's playing ani wa bona kana ya 4 ka Deep City story ya Deep City ba 4 kone xa slay queen nyana lexa khale letsango or something that girl yanga nifuna a endla BTech ya loko nifika I was never nifika na Madibag nifika na Madibag niswaka ya nkarhele ni rehearsing kusuka ka it's a lot wabona ka TT loko apply ba ku byela ku i fanekele prepare monologue yin'we bona ba ku sendela yin'we leyi fanekele ku ta yendla so ani practicing rese text leyi kwalelo ka ntaleni loko nifika la and swi tivi loko monologue phelini ani ni fanele research ku monologue yini ya ka YouTube i chaya ku swendiswa ku yini ku beats yini ku swi sunguriwa njhani a swi tivi mara in my mind I knew I can do this loko nifika I remember ku ra queue yo leha and va kwala va 50 ntsena loko nghena ka room ya kona kuma ku tshame ti lecture ta 4 nghena hi my name is Wiseman okay back action yenda monologue lema prescribe la yona and then yendla na ya wena ana ku hemba ala tsundzuka I njani but I remember ni kani fluffa ku fluffa iku like missing words ni improvise ni nghenisetela marito kwala because I'm never sanisa manje swiendla phela and at least mina ni nghene xikolo na vanhu lava nga endla vo mina tlasi ya mina ku ri na ti swiendle vo Mr Bones swa ha ri na 5 loko I line xi ku no yeah so basically I've done this for a couple of years swiendle vo Soul City vo Soul Buddies wena n'wana Margaret anga yi tina university ku sunguriwa kwini wo chance basically but and the funny thing what wena nyadziwa ngopfu iwene humelela because vanhu lava nga nghena bona va ka intimidator literally in my class you were 2 3 lava ngele ka TV sweswa so basically what I'm trying to say ku nga tekele hansi
Oh yeah.
ina swo na you can do it loko xi twa ka wena ku leswi ni ta swi kota mina you know believe in yourself nghena live va komba ku I can do it and at least I mean I was the only Tsonga guy and every time look I ani va phela loko ya nghena hina abo 2015 about generation was the big thing dream ko and lata kumandla ka generation when now phela ku rasho ya va Xitsonga ni sweswo at least kuna Giyani loko I ka endla drama chichi ta at least ni vona ri ka ni actor ka Giyani mina ntshola ku wena abo azwindini ta vona ka mabango so swi lo ra ku swi vona ka ka generation because babuwa bayakhuluma wena ku hana show ya Xitsonga loko va vona va bo mushasha lexi ta komba xi ka bo mushasha because there's no other show ya Xitsonga
and by that time u tikomba na u ri mushasha
loko futhi a ni fiki basulukini hana phone mbuyangwana na chumi hava itekelwa hasi shanga lexi hambi va la hina
kuna yin'wana maxava nga tshama valala yona na yo Matsonga hi tshama kha hi vula this is the reason why hi endla show lewa or this thing Matsonga we are the most bullied
too much futhi loko ri laniwani wa swi vona ku different akaya at least you know akaya ya fana loko fika la wa vona futhi loko endla ti-course ta ku ti-tricky ya mashangani at least engineering hi ku ani loko engineering ani swona mo tlhariha hina Matsonga na mavenda va ri hi ku tlhariwe ngopfu mara the creative side it's like it's very swilo leswi endliwaka ngopfu hi Matsonga so kuma ku va ta ku byela ku in a history ya arts campus you are probably the second one or the first one mina loko ni fika va ni byela ku a yi tshama hi va na Mutsonga la i wo sungula mara it's fine
Jesu
hi mhaka ku at least for engineering Matsonga ma tlharihe ngopfu phela va endla madokodela it's fine mara the creative side ku phela nge suku kaya ku I wanna go into graphic design you always very ikira man kaya va pfumela ku endla graphic ini sweswo va ta ku buza ini sweswo okay ya tirha kwini so it's one of those things that it's rare ku swi endla vanhu va Matsonga
magale vatsari va hi tikisela ngopfu yona
and mara loko swi nga tini botani hayi ku va hi tikisela hi ku they don't want us to succeed it's because a swi tshama swi endliwa and mutswari un'wana na un'wana I lava ku wena I humelela mutswari phela nga ku lahlekisi loko ku ri loko tswala hi mpela ta ku byela ku n'wana ngaya swi vona ku ma swi rhandza a mi rhandzi mi hetisa engineering mi ta endla swo swa ndzhaku hikuva va lava ku at least I kota ku kuma security wesi nge humi swetini dude bra I lava ku endla drama va ka swona ka kaya ku kokwa xilogweni ku katika va la ku at least loko I mean teaching phela va ri mathicara ma laveka hala nwani a mi swi voni kumbe vu traffic cop nyana we loko endla drama so yini
ani leswi ngele matihlweni
yes kwa swi endli ngopfu
leswi nga hlamusenisa n'wana
kwa ti reference phela basically
loko u kumeka u kulele kaya ni u va na this vision ya wena ntsena a yi pfuleki until uza uya exposed
and then you was one okay
I'm actually good at this I'm actually good at that ni kahle ka leswi nga kota ku ndla leswi nga kota ku ndla leswi mara because a u nga nyikiwangi opportunity yo u va ka swilo leswiya that's why mina I still fight against the primary school ta le kaya ta public leti nga ri ku na ti-extracurricular activities cause a hinkwenu hi nga ta va ti-academic
true
a hinkwenu ku na la nga nyikiwa a nga le ka sport ku na la nga nyikiwa a nga le ka media
and stuff you know
ya n'wina industry
and we don't have those things akaya it's accountings it's tourism and science so if ani nga xitream mata ntshama ni va ta va vusa bot Fumani Shilubani the other day va ku loko a kula a wu aspire ku va yini loko na ha kula hi ku obviously loko kulele vusiwaneni vanhu lava vonaka va ri hala makaya loko mi ri mana va ri tichara kumbe va ri nese hi n'we xifumi in our words haleni obviously it's like amakaya loko vanhu at least mana va ri tichara mi kahle so you aspire to be like them you know you aspire to be no va nese because i vanhu leswi vonaka hi matihlo ma wena ka swi endleka mara it's very rare ku i nga pfuka ndla ku va dokodela because kuma ku village ni dokodela i rin'we kumbe ri kona rin'we ntsena so it's like and they are 7 years and I carry swinene i swi vona ka leti i swi vona kahle wa hila grade 10 ku na metse ku loko nyiseni nyana sikeli kahle so let me shift ku va tichara because that's what you see a hi swi leswi reference ya kona ikwala kusuhana
ene mata ku na swin'wana loko u byela vatswari ku ni la ku ndla doctor va ku swi teka malembe mangani ku 7 years
wa ka n'wananga i vula ku mara 7
because
years
va hlayelela
fanekele i tirha hina and xabi swilo swi hina ngisa swona like literally hina vo tala va hina yi tirhela ku hlayisa kaya yi ti breadwinner swi nga kwani breadwinner 23 22 and hayi ku choosini so na welo ku kena vanhu van'wana va tlharihini mara va hleketa ku ni fanele ya university rather ni ya vuphoriseni leswi kotaka because you understand xiyimo xa le kaya hayi ku you're not capable that's why ku I know va koho vanhu lava that like super guys I always say ku drama ni xikolo is to polish your talent leyi nga kona already
exactly
xikolo is to polish what is already there I nge swi fake loko swi nga ri kona swi kona n'wana mhana hambi wo dyondza xikolo 50 years a swi kona so va kona I know there are kids out there who can do this and va swi twa na ni nga swi endla na hlangana na vona ku but musa mina ni nga swi endla I know I can do it i swi vona ku hi mpela a nga na direction mara loko mungu nyika na stage he can do it so we're here to say dude it's doable and you can do it
Is there anything maybe out of maybe your daily work or listen say like modeling and acting are you like doing something maybe to assist out there like
Yes.
Yes.
I like all the time even when I do interviews like let's say from Ganlon and I always say my DMs are opened be it TikTok Facebook Instagram Twitter anything if you want assistance with this because hina mongana nga votisi munhu mina ku approach bot fumana ni vachava I remember even first time seeing him goosebumps everywhere because I'm thinking where's baba mina bo ndibuwo la batlanga ku papa Kensani bo Albert bo man Yvonne chaka bo man Lina
that's where I was going
ku tshama hansi na vona it's
not something
kuna thandanyana
that's why I wanted to ask
like
you, how was it working with them?
honestly na ku ta ku describe it because it's like
tsamena legend
mavolo ke lora like to dream walora mara you don't dream that far that's also swa ntsanga ni vula na ku mina I meant to bona international na tanga mbele because I realized ku what you speak to the universe leswi no mo swi vulavulaka it reflects back loko vulavula ku failure vusweti it's always you attract those kind of things mina swi vona hi mina ku if you dream it's possible because anlora mara anchava ku lora that far wa to loko lora it's like loko lora eku la ku va ka TV mara ulori itivona eka hi ri na bo botifumani ulori ki tivona na bo I didn't think ku sta humela fast and xikombo xi ni komba ku dude it's very much possible na ta komba ku what you dreaming is too small leswi nge ku swi loreni wena is too small na ta komba ku is very you are capable of what you can't even imagine with your mind that's one time loko vanhu va nga ku sometimes loko tshama na vanhu lava nga na mihleketo yitsongo va ta ku byela loko loranyana va ta ka wena basulukeni wa kwala kaya kwani vona ku ta swi kota that's why sometimes fane shifta loko vona ku vanhu va ku byela sweswo shift your mood to a better if fane lora do ti voni i ri Wakanda because xikombo xi ta komba ku dude Wakanda is too small look at what Tusombedu is doing
and that's a very
look at what she's doing and a kid long kula swi nga ri kona ka vona look at how she's doing so it's to show you ku with your talent you are more than capable mina lora ndi vona ni Spider-Man wena ta ni wa ri kweli because xikwembu showed me ku dude what you because mina ibi loko lora ni vona ka Giyani ntsena loko noma Giyani Mubangu the Reef Rockville Umbali so it's to show ku dude you are more than capable that's why when someone bought fumani va tshama ku vula ku mina swilo leswi ni nga swi lwela loko he always says ka mina va ku dude like I wish like ni vona wena ni vona n'wana wa mina like what you are doing is not what I was doing then you know mina what I'm doing now wisdom kume another kid who is dreaming now. So we are paving. Small. Leswi nga vona hi vo papa vo tsutsuma vo ringo vo tsutsuma. Vo khari dumele time. Ayi leswi meni lo experience they fought. They paved the way ku meni ko ta famba sweswi va kase hi milenge va kasa hi matsolo ku wise man tikuma ri la namuntlha. That's why leswi meni swi endlaka namuntlha i Xitsonga leswi n'wana huma ka bungeni nga ta swi endla in the next 10 years. That's what I'm saying. Hina we are small. Xitsongo ya ka fika. Xitsongo ka fika. Yes. Leswi vo both fumana va fika ka generation va fika va vona kanyana kan'we mele ni fika ntshama. So meaning they've done a good job. Ku mina ni tikuma ni ringana kona namuntlha. So we are almost there. It looks one. So
an la ku vutisa i nga ri na offer mpanyana mara an la ku twisa ku ri okay so i la ku mi byala moment leyi mi nga twa nga ri swilo swi jemini ka tika la twa nga se mi lahlekile a ku humelela hi kahle
mina nge hembi shem Niku, I've experienced a lot of those moments, and I'm not saying anenge fiki kwalana ninga fiki mara I haven't really struggle because it's just been 4 or 5 years now since the beginning of Giyani, and I've done about 8 shows. Yeah, every year I do different shows. So anzani to kubankani struggle, but I'm not saying kwange fikwalana. You know, we do encounter sometimes because balwa Xitsonga, you know, fika seteni nikumantiro. I mean, you audition. Ani kuna here's what happens. So kuna let's say for example, shares pictures, but I'm on a new show. Ba hire a casting director. A casting director imunhu loyi afika ka scout talent. Yeah, audition. Loko fika ntirhweni a wu nkumi munhu loyi a nga kona. Ikuma the directors and the producers and whatever. Sometimes kuma kun fika showing, you know, and get well mwabe to show. Ni fika wala showing loko ni balwa Xitsonga vanhu va ko what is that? What language is that? You know, so sometimes they force you to speak another language. Va ko yeah, mara iba mana ba yingisela ku language iba lwayini and swi komba ku hi kule kwini tani hi country because loko manje sitwa ku va la Zulu na Xhosa and nakutwa me fanekele a wu need nga va humela South Africa and then Tsonga phela it's like 11 official languages. So loko ndzela ku a wu need kumbe what language is that kumbe ngani ba ku this vendor dude Xivenda na Xitsonga swi hambane kule. So basically what are you saying hi language ya ka ya hina loko ri wena va la language ya ka n'wina and tlhe va proud why ni nga endli swa ka hina dude loko ri hi le ntirhweni and then mina ku twa find a way ku nitwa nitwi so you know so mina I've been ka ti show kuma ko ni byeliwa ko language yaleyo man ayekuthi kumbe the actors tin'wana loko va lwa language yaleyo va ku tekela hansi nga ku i va lwa language ya kuma outside South Africa and stuff. So we get those things and it's not nice because I mean dude Xitsonga lexi mame rona ririmi leri ra ka hina ni valwa Xitsonga and I'm very proud after West mina again very proud ni ba Xitsonga xa ka hina loko ra wu ndzi mhaka ta wete so va koho vanhu lava too much and then tlhe ndzika ke i nga nitwi just ku ana wu nitwe loko nga nitwi ni vutisa kahle ku sorry ni chava ku like some sorry nchava ku ta khata did I cut you no I'm katanga vulavula swa wena meta ku ta divana kwele mahlweni you know yeah because I mean ingenjeli ka uniti man anakutwa
mi banda lexi
loko nuna kutwa nitwe na wena
ba xitale xi le ka TikTok byela ku ma China ku ta ku phonela aku hexe ku ni ri ta ku phonela
loko ra unitwa no ways nitwi loko ra unitwa mhaka ta mina ya fika va hi byela that language is just not West mina shem tiro leta ba ku Venek ba vulang phela ku which Venek that's my Venek lexi Venek ya mina leni va lokula i Venek ngopfu ka mina futhi I'm comfortable with it nta fika no audition and then fika ni nyisa ke audition va nika tani kahle ni fika kwale ntsinza va ku action uri kiri no intwe kahle ku day i ba Xitsonga xa ka hina so it's we still have a long way lo shokalani mara yeah itafika I love pushing
ka Venek leti nga na tona I know ka Xitsonga ni Mutsonga leswin'wana yini
Xivenda yes Xhosa a little bit, Zulu a little bit. I can a little bit here and there. Mara ko kumkari n'wana ni no fostera Xitsonga hi mhaka ku I can. I can and loko ku ri swin'wana hi mina swi ta vula hi mani.
leswo dilo cheo i xi nga
Dulo cho lexa la. Khosa phone
No, ni endle show sweswiwani umbali Luzuko. I play Luzuko of 2 seasons.
That's it.
Yeah, ngithetha Xhosa
all the way.
fully.
Xitsonga,
Mara.
Xitsonga.
Ngithetha Xhosa fully.
Mvilanyana.
Mara. Ni kombela ku va casta mani wa Mutsonga.
Ne?
Va n'wi casta mani wa Mutsonga a ni mixetela.
Ne?
Literally ni kume ntirho va ku loko ni fika laha va ku ni vulavula Veneke ni ba Xitsonga se nhwanyana lowa ku na cont vanhu lava va chayaka ku hi va endla swona hi famba hi line na ka script. I mean wa freestyle nyana here and there, but we should not forget the objective of a scene. Ya kwini scene.
Oh yeah.
So I fika because I directed mlungu. Mlungu fika ku vulavula Veneke ka the scene. Okay. Loko huma ni ku Xitsonga deep. Ananganithi yena oh my gosh, that's nice. Loko munhu loyi Luzuko papa yena Mxhosa and la yivalula ririmi rin'wana ni ku mina swi ta ni tsandza ku ni ba Xixhosa fully because now swi ta ni limita my performance. So a ni kombela loko ku ri swi ta mi tsandza ku va na mina ni kombela ku ntirho ni wu tshika mi ya casta munhu muntshwa va ku a swi nge koteki hina hi lava wena. So lexi nga ta kona i ku hi ta ku lavela mhani wa Mutsonga. Va lavela mhani wa Mutsonga. I think so sometimes loko vanhu va ku laveni they will do anything.
No, but do you understand what you did there?
Yeah, no, ni fika ni ku a swi ta ni tsandza ku kasi va lava ku ni ba Xixhosa like fully and a ni nge swi koti ku va ni ri Xixhosa.
La mi unlock na mindset ya vanhu ya ku
Oh yes. Hey.
Yes, no
kona
nkarhi yin'wana yi nga compromise.
That's
Don't compromise. Kuna nkarhi yin'wana ku you can compromise mara kuna nkarhi wun'wana ku a ni compromise because loko Twitter ya ni vona ya ku ni katingeni mhaka ku va ta ku a va hava Maxhosa na loko se va kuma mfana loyi. And now loko va swi vona va ta ku what a bad actor. Hi ku loko i actor hi ririmi ri nga ra ka n'wina mina hi Xitsonga na famba and then ba fast na rhyme ni fast ngopfu hi Xitsonga ni valula fast hi ku ni yale because ririmi ra ka hina I'm very comfortable mara hi Xhosa ni fanele performance yi ta va limited mhaka ni if I yima hi hleketa ku hi ro am I pronouncing it well because ani ku na ririmi ku tlhe ku va ku ri na ku pronounce you know for example hi Xivenda loko i vula a certain word just because of pronounce hi ndlela ya wrong you mean a different thing. Yes. So I swi lavi ku se ni tikuma se ni tlimbekini ni nga ha koti no perform mhaka ku ni fostela ku valula ririmi leri se ni va hlamusela ku mehe swi ta ni tsandzwa ku ni tirhela va ku no a swi nge koteki ku a famba so ni ku what do we do va ku i ta casta mhani wa Mutsonga mani lava va tlangaku Caroline I think on mina she's also on Giyani. Yeah, she came, she played my mom.
Oh, va kota ku balance.
So at least loko ni pani jika ni ku Xitsonga it makes sense go it's closer to his mom. Yes. So ni endla 2 seasons why 2 seasons ya show ya cost ya ka ATV kahle ko
no
Yeah.
no me ti katsa ka hinkwato mata a ti question leta a hi ri na tona ne mina ta ku vutisa ku stage njhani mi nghena ka Mbango Rockville
Kambango so Kambango ana ha ta Giyani yo sungula.
that's the first season
At Giyani and then towards the end a gentleman phone aku they are looking for, I will use this word anyway. They are looking for a good looking, you know, vendor dude.
Yeah.
And you speak vendor, right? I'm like fluently, good. And that's the end. Niane audition ka ni shoot Giyani yosungula. I don't know if loko mabona mang ku ra mfana one angata jola na rendana.
What team?
Yeah, he's vendor mara mvendo ale jo.
Nang olea.
Yes.
Yeah, nang
So
muscular.
Aku ria mina role ya.
Yeah.
So channel yeko ashle endli na ku Giyani Mbango ka manga phela ku start 3 months in advance and Giyani na start in advance. Phela swi ngata swona swi lokusela ka Giyani.
You look shit.
Yeah.
Heva.
You start against the 3. It doesn't try February. It's not shooter in October. November, October.
Mina ti spoiler alert.
No. Motiva ku yeah, you look shoot in February. February kwala masungulini. Mara start advertise obviously. So you shoot in advance. So hey, inkinga yiku ashinge yendlu atlanga ti-lead tembere. Kube ne difference ya ti-show leti 30 minutes. So basically ta vona ka mbango 9 9:30 ibonakala. Sita confuse abantu. It's a channel so the politics ta channel. That's how they prefer to do things. Loko munhu ari ka mbango le ka mbango. One. You can't do one thing in one channel or whatever. But it's politics like SABC.
Obviously, Magaku SABC.
Yeah, so it's one channel and 30 minutes it don't make sense. So abaku unfortunately I don't get caught to shoot. Unfortunately, I'm saying, I'm not ranzak for cool. I'm sure ranzak for I'm unfortunately mina.
Kombela idlaya mentality le yabatwari ne yo suppressa vana
Ku engayetli swi.
kuna mali ka ikhi
Kuna mali?
kuna mali
Maliko?
munhu u kota ku tihanyisa
No, Maliko.
vatswari va fanele
Maliko. Mara.
Maliko.
Maliko re ngwananga. Maliko na mara it's ingekumi mali wa sunguna.
Ne?
Shaka acting shi famba song. Sweswi mali la ikuma maku. My CV is big. Yeah, loko ni lava what maka we kwan lava loko ron lava is fine. Unfortunately. Sweswana loko ni lava what maka ku ejentamento ku hlamusela ko hey munhu loyi baloko yena sweswana I endle Giyani I endla Mabangu I endla Rockville I endla The River I endla Umbala I endla Redemption so please
there's no way
I valwe munhu lo asunguna ku timhaka la I munhu lo atwa ku xitori xa yena I nghene xikolo so yikona mali mara swi ya hi experience so ku charge so loko wa ku sunguna kuma mali ya entrance like engineering I think swi njani so entrance fee vibe you go and experience malembe yakho ibelaka it goes up because loko nisuka ka Mbango ka Giyani nyala ka Rockville mali ya khuphuka nyala ka Rockville nisuka ka Rockville nyala ka The River ya khuphuka Rockville ya ka Umbala ya khuphuka Redemption ya khuphuka swi ka Giyani yi khuphuki so yi khuphuka hi ku ya hi tisho that's why loko vala vanhu fana bo for example bo John Kani lava ifani to atbanga ta wena Ngekuli nje. Itakuzela ko dude I've been doing this for 20 years. I have about 100 and something shows in my shoulders. I've done international shows. In Nikatales you are lying. Don't try that game. Famba elanza lava. And bakona man lava, you know, equally talented banga tatakandiro, you know. But some tishoto one kolabo wise man is wise man or kolabo fumani shulwan because it's fumani shulwan. Yeah. So in no location fani chache ke I've built this thing. Ntere matimba ko ntukumana lanwan se ai tiben ko audition ya audition ngana mana sweswi viki nga hela no ma audition ya fole
audition aswi
because you know bananga kuleke wabona ka TV you're fighting for the same role mifika mfola hinkwenu mara to audition ka ta fanele ta ku mfika metele ku bitana na 5 6 so bathama hansi bak okay this role because already Suswani you've seen me play you know different characters watch the book leshwa singayinyisa lelo xifika la sita she's slayer sita endla swona so too much so already kuna vanhu van'wana lava nga endla the same roles multiple times you know so loko mfika bak okay hitala ba wise man loyi na loyi mfika hinkwenu mi tshama handle ke I tshama wena hi 4 1 by 1 in fika na one year but the trick is just to stand out. The trick is to stand out. Ka text, or you know, when you're breaking down this text, because ku actor ay kubalabula. Ku actor is to react, is to be in the moment, to feel what you're saying. Don't just say it for the sake of saying. Loko nukun kwatini. You know, it should be inspired by something.
Let's say you're acting a certain role, ne? You have to take a certain situation. You need counseling after.
If you are trained, you don't go there. If you remember, skolo pele indlela sweswaku you don't deserve to not be attached to emotions. Because we are actors. We make you believe what you're going through, but we're not necessarily going through. Because loko no hleketa kona mina nga lova 20 years. Ange yimi ku rila. Nibala itimaka ku nirila kensani. Nhleketa kona mina. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Ndarila phela bazi cut. Nah, real. And television is like this. You act in bits and pieces. So if it's an emotional scene, I'll be here and about action. ni rila ro sungula va cut so va cutini a va za va heta hi wena so loko wa ha rilela kokwani i nge herili ku fana ka ti-text away so you must learn how to get into character and be in the moment for that thing because siku ra leyi it's 12 hours a day by the way you're acting every day 12 hours a day so wa rila sweswiwani ka this scene next thing wa tsaka next thing ikwatini or lwana papa or lwana mani itsakini khensani so you can't just be stuck in one emotion so you don't use real life use technique it's like this boom action cry on cue so this is gonna real cut you stop do close-ups cut on action or else if you're gonna use real life you end up ntakantlimba vanhu seni ku ni kwatele papa lava nga lova ni kwate hi ku ntirhisa you know like a serious thing leswi nga humelela so you don't use your real life experiences you use tech so loko ni ku vanhu va ya xikolweni va dyondza ku act is for the techniques learning how to control your emotions and getting into character simply without fighting
technique yo tsontsana yona na yona ma dyondza
no that one you have to just do it
anyway kwa tsontsani
too much and the lesson ngomu sovana is only quarter because they must kiss until they found the take that they want loko ka tloftofiwa is tloftof until they get the take they want so akutla hayi tloftofiwa mpela obviously
anilangena kale
ani
sanzukile
akasini ani like sometimes for example akukisa is simple I mean mina is very simple to me action kiss done
ngoba ngilanda munhu wa munhu
kahle nje kukhisaniwa until ihle and ihle you find friend you good we're done we're friends cool. Yeah cut fam yakaya no you don't bakola bajolaka obviously we've seen it mara angeboni loko by the here's the thing phela you see this is a big production right like gonna the cameras light and everything exactly with acting yika ikhisana r2 kuna vanhu dingadime so dime na boom kuna un'wana the camera kuna camera la ngwembona vanhu vambirhi ka TV mara a room yale ku tele bad ko xinga yima ka headboard xiyimele hala ka musa a twa ka sound so it's not like two tsena ku tele a setting ku tele ba ti camera timbirhi kuna lowa wa focus phula kuna data
kuna gaffer man
kutele so it's not like television only shows you the beauty of acting iku ya rivala ngoba ko bana because loko look antsamela ko phela nangtiweni sweswo dia ko wena then meaning I'll be nervous and tahleketa kuna vanhu so loko iya trainiwe na xikolweni wa switiva ko you forget about the surrounding be in the moment you I don't know how to put it you your mind you forget the camera vanhu you focus on the scene because inge really vanhu va kona ngotetele batele a unge skoti
a swi nge kota ka
loko ki hleketa phela nangutiweni sweswe so you be in the moment you be in the zone loko ka luye when you be you get your it's like when you get in an audition wafika hi my name is Wise I'll be doing this audition yima so what I normally do I stand there I imagine what is here. So let's say for example le office it's a scene yele office ni tama ni imagine kon le office and this is where emotion intact everything is chila ni read this scene and then boom nang tainan sunguleni cause loko nifika la phela ka audition kuma ku xirhumani ku hana nchumu la loko ri ta hleketa ku phela wana madi sofa ka nchumu la ta hleketa hi sofa loko yi vulavula so you must imagine this you know it's like loko i hlaya script ani bo khensana va ta va ri busy ka hlaya script wa ka bo men prepare ri kai lang imagine khensana ga vala na vala i valwa so by the time you figure it's gels yes so you just be in the moment and you do it mara ku hinkari obviously you get nervous I think the first loko la sunguna I remember ni freeze ko tala ngo ka geno sunguna
so laga Giyani ka Giyani nga talunga vile ko na ko na misalo makona ngwe mahlo
ngo tlekeseka
mabaloyi
ay perini wa benga
mara chemistry ya n'wina na mahlori a ri sharp a xo tiphungelela na xona
xaphunga too much ani mazaka family kuna lija joko adito and ta ku yini wa ka yini
a discota ka dinga twi
a xi nga a xi twi na sweswi a xi yingiseli
va ku real life hayi
No, I don't know.
Ntoba ku real life aritwe.
No, I marsha to shame.
Allegedly.
Ngakura mara Mateo.
Right.
Yeah, Chikoko is a good performer.
Ne?
You know, he
He
knows.
ngenela TT, ne?
Yeah, he knows how to, you know. Sha, try
No,
to
that's
say.
one of the guys that we should actually have.
Yeah, Sha ngisela. Shami is very sweet.
Na but Fuman.
Yes, yes,
Fuman
yes.
will definitely like.
Hayi bona bayingisela, they're very sweet.
So mara papa liya yona balo yona.
Oh my dad, amazing
Giyani
performer.
Land of Blood, papa ko Land of Blood.
I mean, I remember my first scene. Papa Labashem, I don't wanna lie, I love him so much. Banteka tani ngono abona, like literally, also in real life, like seriously. Abala kutwa chumi mina, he's very protective, very protective. Like he cares a lot about me. Like if I'm not fine, you wanna check, make sure what is happening. Like he loves me so much. I remember, I didn't know commentary ka Giyani. He lead. I should think so ko yinani. I saw me ekita peka TV. Nifika anse no driver mo fa nifika Giyani wana kathi bebe, ishimova nje sha city golf. Awuna license, awuna na lane last.
I blue.
Kwempusha matilo. I think I need zonda na ku driver sheshi makamo valwa. Nifika lani. First day. First scene.
Yeah.
Musa is driving back. What? And someone driver mo vanusto. Abako ita ko renzela. Ndonso mo va seteni mi.
Serious?
Luckily Shama had the best. Ni stress wa ku drive, and stress wa line, ni stress wa ku nervous. Kura ma di camera everywhere man. And someone ekita. Papa Laba, I remember first scene, I was overwhelmed.
Yeah,
like the freezer completely.
Because I
Like-
think I got first scene ya Giyani.
First scene ya Giyani, I rekam pambo. Banika mova. Anu tivi ku drive mova. Mova lo atika ku drive. City golf. Phela one na reverse. Ifani press la hansi. Kari ngoba ku ya mahlweni action. Vuta reverse di mova ya client fa ba ikwati sa na stress. Mova lo unika stress.
Nka lo munhu te i unang tsema tani mo.
Milanwa phela Papa, I remember first day rekam pambo. Ni freezer completely.
Yeah.
Ni freezer like
And kuna ku
Back
kuna
action.
kunwanyana loko munhu a freeze.
ni stop this, I can't do this.
Ba-
And guess
ba-
what? Like you become blank.
Yeah.
And it's like lobby. You become blank to the point where I was still not in liquid. And I just felt so disappointed in myself in that moment. I remember first day because I'm like, I can't do this. I can't mess this up. I can't mess this up. This is my time. I can't mess it up. And it got frustrated more when you, like, you know, look, you want things so bad and you just can't seem to get it
Yeah,
right.
you need to.
And you're thinking, I'm sorry to use that word. Look, wrong when it's here. I've gotten the job, but I remember him saying to me, come here. He's like, please, can we pause for 5 minutes? Okay, yes. I mistake. You have this. You've got this and you'll do it. I remember those words like it was yesterday. I remember, because the thing is, you're so disappointed in yourself because you're thinking, I'm working with these big people. This is like the best opportunity I can ever get.
And messing it up.
And if it's at the point where I'm like, I see hey, you are here. Stop questioning why. No. Pity parties should stop at a month. But you are here because you're talented and you're gonna do this. So for me, him saying those words and him being a legend, I call him a legend because he's a veteran actor. He's been doing this for years. Because for him to humble himself and speak to me because he didn't have to. Do your thing, it's fine. You know, but for him to do that to me, it showed he's with me. We are in this together. And it's rare because now I in my experience I've seen set one money.
Bakola one.
Bakola nini?
Ay, abanang karna wena, abanang makana wena, atitiban. Mingayibona ka hlekelan la ka TV. Lo ba cut ngwana ngitale ngwana ba. It's not that easy. But no, who are you? We're not friends. Yeah. I'm not here to make friends.
Yo, Jesus.
We are colleagues, we're not friends. So you do your job, I do mine. So yeah, but not Marai. Giyani it's like a family. Oh, Giyani guys. Giyani naloko ba ifikini like let's say you're new, you're coming there.
Yeah.
We welcome you nicely.
I think
Nice, lekaya, and Mutsonga we're very welcoming. Kwa na mona ngwana ta ai hlangana mo sala nane zwini ka te shoot. I think on the show.
I think leswi la ku swivula ku loko hi hlangana la hi ri Matsonga hi family. Even diesel move.
Yes.
We are family.
Yes. Because I think I ngakholelani guys because already I take it serious one so it's like we are family. So ka Giyani I ingefiki la hi kunika attitude. It's always very nice. Very very nice. If I didn't touch already my dad comedian. You will be making jokes the whole day. You know, we talk about everything. You know, it's a joke. It's like he's like that. He's like a father. Yes. So to me, my brother would talk like literally. You'd say, yeah.
No. It's nice. No, I think you have a lot to say. You have a lot to say. From today onwards, you are a friend of the show.
Yes.
Anytime. Loko imlava mkuma.
Ana kumeka ni mbona kwa.
Makumeka.
Makumeka. It is sota kwa king.
Ne?
And me Kuti because I don't question total marele nga vutisa because
the question
Mara me.
I think umonolwa ngopha ni.
Utshama kusuhani ngopfu. Ngakutanga kuthame na celebrity.
Hayi mina loko ndilana ni. Mina loko ndilana ni.
no ningiselina ke
Mina loko ndilana ni. Hayi ngoba ndisani noma kwenu I don't like to look at myself like celebrity. Yes, ndara ka TV mara I feel like the word celebrity it comes with a lot of weight and unnecessary attention. And mina I'm just like a random kid. Loko munhu na bota mina. Lama. Ba bota mina they just take me like I'm their little brother. We ita ayoba la relaxing but to them I'm just their sibling. Nothing hectic.
Nala se leka but musa la ba ala.
But musa la ba.
Leka na kolomla mtazumba mutakwa de juta mtazumba. Ile kaya la no ikhense ngopfu
khensa mina
baka yena as mistiva meka de juta loko mla ku tamta tshama mta kuma kwa this show is sponsored by the Juta Cafe in association with Ibatu Media, and then now we have a new sponsor, Pila ICT Solutions. Loko lava swa timhaka ta computer na yini hinkwaswo to comments in our I'm sure to win that ka ti roller all over. So please yi nga se famba kuna gaming one hi tlangaka
kuna gaming
ku tharito ra Xitsonga n'wana n'watata na ansara Google yini xichangana
or Xitsonga
Xitsonga bitena rin'wana ku i masecha
mara loko ku masecha ni mina nsechaka xona ni sechaka xona xi nyika ti results so mativa hinkwaswo
I wanted to say mativa hinkwaswo because it's know it all.
I think
but sometimes na nga tivi hinkwaswo wa hemba
minta masecha we ku mativa hinkwaswo na
mara nga tivi hinkwaswo
man wa freezer namuntlha ku humelela yini
imhakule hembe na itivi hinkwaswo vhe
rawe yini Google
mara mativa mara Xitsonga
Xitsonga xisama
it's very complex matwana swi ka Giyani like some because we in other language advices ani but samari to man'wane loko anga himpfuka ni va mina I've never ani nga tshama ni switwa swin'wana swi loko la va ku remember phela the show is also to preserve so
that's good.
As much as it's not a spoken word mfane mtsundzuka ku hi loko sizameni ka ku ta preserve language so yes we don't speak it every day mara swa nandziha loko switwa swa vulavuriwa wow that's nice because I don't every day there's new words our translator wears yo is from Mozambique yo he wadzika we have a translator Mozambique wadzika swinene
because na hi le ku laveni na translator for subtitles ta show
yo wadzika swinene and ntlhenchava na mena sometimes na substitute nuka ni kombela ku ni nga ri tirhisi rito leri hi ku a ni nge ri tsundzuki but
tirhisa ra mavulavulelo ma masiku hinkwawo
hey like every day you know
No,
conversation
hi khense
no khensa
ngopfu.
mina ku va lani
Hi khense ngopfu, man. Hi pfala kwala until hi hlangana nakambe next time.
xiyenge lexi xa Shangani Gang a xi tisiwa eka n'wina hi the Juta Cafe. Shangi.